Okay, practice problem 3. What number is going to get rid of the fraction for me? I'm looking at my denominators. I've got a 2 and a 3. If I multiply those together, I get 6. So 6 definitely works. But is that the smallest? 2, 4, 6, 3, 6. Yes, it's also the smallest. So it's 6. 2 would not work. 3 would not work. And 8 definitely wouldn't work. So there's only one correct answer here. Sometimes there might be more than one. But the only one that works for this one is the number 6. You don't have to do the math yet. Today, all we're doing is figuring out what is the number that I need to multiply by. Practice problem 4. What will you multiply by to get rid of the fractions? Well, I'm looking at my denominators. I've got a 4 and a 5. If I multiply them together, I get 20. Is there going to be a smaller number? If I count by 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I don't think so. There's no 10 there, but there is a 4. But if I count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. So, nope, these smaller numbers don't work. They're not multiples of both. So the correct answer of what I'm going to multiply by is 20. When we do that, it's going to get rid of the fractions. We're not doing it yet. We're just practicing finding the number today.